Good morning, good afternoon and good evening YouTube. What's going on? It's your boy Joey Does Tech and welcome yourselves back to a brand new video. So as you can see, I'm trying like a bit of a new setup and it's gonna look a little bit weird, let's be honest. I have purchased a couple of faulty Nintendo DS Lites that I hopefully intend on fixing, and this video is me unboxing them. So let's take a look. So here we have our two packages and a pair of scissors that we're going to use to open them. Let's take a look at the bigger one first. This one I believe has 3 Nintendo DS Lites in. Let's get it open. It even says, look, DS Lites times 3. Lovely. Oh. Okay, packaged nicely I guess. I don't want to scratch any, so I need to be careful here. So I'm going to go for the up and under technique. Okay. Whoa! I didn't know I bought a camo one. Oh, this one's already been modified by the looks of it. Look at this. What's going on here? Okay. We've got a camo DS. I've never seen this. I don't know if this is like a stock thing. I highly doubt it, right? This has been modified, surely. Look at that. What the frick? Does it turn on is the question. Should we have a look? Let's see if this one turns on. This is really cool though, I like it. No, it doesn't. Could be battery related, but that's, I really like that. Not a massive fan of the red on the DS, to be honest with you. I don't like the red around the screens. I don't know what you guys think. I'm not a fan of that. Not a fan of that. I like the buttons, but again, looks a little bit weird against the Army DS, but I love the camo. The camo is wicked. The camo is really, really nice. So that's number one. It's not turning on, so I need to have a look at exactly what the fault is. So the second Nintendo DS looks like a bog standard black one. Hinge is faulty on it, clearly. So as you can see, the hinge isn't doing too great. But if we try and turn it on, does it work? Yes, it does. Okay, so this one's fully working by the looks of it, which is really, really good. Okay, so that's a fully working Nintendo DS. So this could just be a shell swap. Now, in one of the previous videos I had, somebody mentioned about doing a how-to on a Nintendo DS Lite shell swap. So I could possibly do that with this one, to be 100% honest with you. This one looks pretty good condition. So we could use that as a model. Okay, on to the final one that we got from this package in particular. Blue. Hinge. Done. This one doesn't have the slot, it also doesn't have the pen. Battery cover is still intact. And it's a nice sort of blue, but the hinge is gone. Yeah? That's the issue with this one. Hinge has gone again. There's another hinge issue, as you can see. Does it work? It does, okay. What about the... Yeah, the screen works as well. Wicked. It's run out of battery by the looks of it, but really good condition. So we've got a top screen and a bottom screen. I need to get some games to be able to test, bro. If I had some games, I could test them fully, but I'm an idiot and I don't have games. Let's move on to the next package. So that's 3 Nintendo DS Lites down. We now have this one, which I believe this is just one. Oh, it's like pass the parcel at Christmas. When you got to pass one another parcel. Wow, okay, they've been extra secure with this. I love that, because this will be bubble wrapped as well. So in there in this one you got bubble wrap. See that? And then in this one you got some more bubble wrap. This person is very generous on the old bubbly wrap. Okay. I think this is a pink one. I think. Yeah, pink one. Okay, what have we got? We haven't got a stylus. We've got some sort of sticker on the back, as you can see. We've got some glue marks where the battery cover is. Okay, interesting. We've also got the cover, which is good. No stylus. Hinge is fine, which is nice as well. A little bit of gunk maybe here. Is that gunk? It is indeed. Does it work? No, it doesn't turn on. Okay. The actual shell itself looks in really, really good condition. Just a little bit dirty from what I can see. But yeah, it looks decent. Give this a good clean and this will be like a it will look quite new, I think. Maybe a screen replacement, because there's quite a lot, I don't know if you can see. They look like deep indentations of where somebody has pressed. You can see there on it a bit too hard, but again, not too bad. I think the condition of it is okay. It's not horrendous, so that one could just be a clean-up. And obviously hope it still works. So I do need to actually, can you guys believe that after all this time, I've never owned a Nintendo DS Lite charger? Okay, so there we have it. We have 4 Nintendo DS Lites that, by the looks of it, are in need of some love and affection. So the next step for me will be to take a battery out of the Nintendo DS Lites that I already have, which is, I think, 2 now. I think I've only got 2 left. So I'm going to take them out, put them in the ones that I've purchased, and just test to see if they actually turn on whilst I don't have a Nintendo DS Lite charger, and hopefully get them all fixed up. I've got a couple of surprises for you guys. I don't want to mention anything just yet, but it's just to put it out there that we might have some really, really good videos on the way. I am also waiting on a parcel to arrive that I'm telling you now, it's going to blow your mind, because it blew my mind, it's going to blow your mind, and hopefully it will keep me busy for at least a couple of months. More detail on that in the next video, guys. I know it's quite a short one, again, apologies, but we've got a lot coming up. Be sure to check out some of the videos on the channel if you haven't already, and make sure you have a good afternoon, good evening, good morning, wherever it is that you are, and I will see you in the next video. Make sure to like the video if you enjoyed it, and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more of my content. Have a good one. Peace out.